Sumitomo introduces the highly reliable shoulder milling cutter, CNP type. The CNP type's tangential insert has an optimized cutting-edge geometry and molded chip breaker for high productivity. The tangential insert allows for side milling, plunge boring, and repeater end mill applications as well. The wide range of the CNP shoulder milling cutter works with consistent reliability and accuracy. The high productivity of the CNP shoulder mill can be witnessed in slotting operations as well. The new shoulder milling cutter CNP type promises highly reliable machining.